And good morning and welcome to VSA Capital 5 Minute Morning Miner on Wednesday, the 3rd of December. Good morning, Paul. How you doing?
Pretty well, thank you. Pretty well, I have to say.
Good. And obviously, one of the big things at the moment is we've got resourcing tomorrow on up at the business centre at Angel. And so I know you were up there yesterday, Paul, because I saw you wandering around a few of the booths. I've got to say, it's mainly Canadian companies up there, very few UK companies. But I have one or two quite interesting meetings up there. I don't know about yourself.
But my own view is also saw it appears there's a lot more government ministers up there this year than in previous years, and because of the much better metals prices, we've got a full set of booths up there for the first time in several years now.
Yeah, the mood is good because we're in a bull market, and as you say, there's a lot of government initiatives, not just in the UK, because we just had the UK Critical Minerals Association report put out, but also obviously we've got the US government obviously very active in the whole commodities space and critical metals. So there is a decent mood, but I'm not sure how much real business was taking place up there. But I had some interesting meetings. Anyway, there we go. Look, a couple of other things worth pointing out this morning. There's an announcement today. Some more warrants have been exercised in Panthera Resources. We all knew that these were going to come out. There were some warrants at 6.68p, and they expire on the 10th of December. So obviously you've got to exercise them before then. But I think it's fair to say this has been holding the price back, or holding it steady at around 24p. Past the 10th of December, that'll all be unwound, and you'd expect the price then to maybe go stronger afterwards. Also, Mark Bolton is out marketing in America. There's a proactive video out this morning from New York. So I think you might see a nice year-end rally in Panthera after December the 10th. And also, whilst just talking on litigation cases, we did our new client, which was announced the other day, Emmerson, was in our offices, and we were just getting an update from them. And again, obviously, we've taken that on because we think it's another very interesting litigation case. And just remember on all of these, it's the journey, not the outcome, that is important. Paul, what did you pick up this morning?
Yep. Surge Battery, the TSX-listed explorer for lithium clays in Northeast Nevada, has done a joint venture deal with Evolution Mining, Evolution to be the financier toward a pre-feasibility study on the Northern Nevada lithium clay project. Wanted to point out there that the adjoining property on this lithium clay ancient lake basin is held by TSX-listed Peloton Minerals, who is just now putting the drill rig in on their projects. But it is the same clay layers that they have already identified on their ground as well as on Surge's. So you'll want to keep an eye on the kind of progress they make and the drilling results they have. The other piece of news I had too was there has been a superior bid made by a shareholder in Predictive Discovery. That's Perseus Mining, the ASX-listed West African gold producer. They have put in a superior bid of Australian 77, or just about 78 cents per Predictive share. That gazumps effectively the ASX company Robex offer for Predictive Discovery. So Robex will be able to come back with a counter bid if they choose to. But the battle for Predictive Discovery is all about the Predictive's Bankan gold deposit in West Africa, which is a projected 250,000 ounces per annum open pit gold mine. So it's a big deposit with the right kind of economic characteristics in West Africa. So I understand why there's a bidding war for it.
Okay, very good. We'll call it a day there. That was a bit of news, and we can be back again tomorrow. Thanks.
Very good. We'll see you then.
This podcast has been produced and edited by VSA Capital. It is intended for information purposes and not as investment advice. The information is intended for recipients who understand the risks associated with equity investments in smaller companies. Please do your own research and do not rely on a single source when making an investment decision. VSA Capital may derive fees from this content and seeks to do business with the companies mentioned.